Hi everyone and welcome to another Monty Miracle cleaning video. Today's video is concentrating on the combination of your good mental health, your exercise and actually getting jobs done. In these really unusual times, we sometimes need a reason to do something. So today we're going to combine all three. This can actually be good for you and whoever you can get to join you out of the house. Mum, dad, son, daughter, even gran if she lives in your house with you. Here she is, grandma, hard at work, washing down. Or even granddad. Getting everybody out doesn't have to be for a long time. Just everybody getting a bit of fresh air, giving you help just to move things about, move the chairs onto the grass, to give it a good sweep up, and generally just get on top of the tidiness of the garden. Once these jobs are done, you can get the stragglers to all go back inside and get warm now. You can be left just to the easy bit, and this is where Monty Miracle comes in. It may be even be a good idea just to take some pictures before and after of the garden before you started. This then you can show everybody inside what you've all achieved. Here we have some before and after pictures that I did actually take while doing the job, and I could show everybody inside, but it is like showing everybody your holiday photos. There's not very much interest, but the people who took notice were really impressed. We don't always get the appreciation we'd like for the jobs that we do. Well, this is me. I've applied the Monty solution out of the pump spray bottle, and I'm just walking about with a brush, just agitating the solution, keeping it even on the surface, just walking up and down and just generally giving it a move around. I don't always move that fast. It's usually when I've fast forwarded the camera, just so you know. I can't stress to you enough how much of a pleasure it is to use Monty Miracle compared to a jet washer. The jet washer is so aggressive and so messy and noisy, and with the Monty solution it does the job for you. It's so much easier. It makes the job a pleasure. When I did this job I used a little over 3 bottles, but I know when you buy online you buy 3 you get 1 free, so that did come in handy. The 3 I used, and the one where I had some left, I had some patches to do at the front of the house, so it all came in, but it was so much more of a pleasure doing this than jet washing. In brief, just to tidy up of the garden, a bit of a sweep up to get the leaves away, and pour the Monty solution into your pump spray bottle, apply the Monty solution to the surface, keep it moist on the surface with a soft nylon brush, and leave 6 to 10 minutes and then simply rinse. What can I say? The job looks fantastic. It's really important we have a nice, tidy, clean space to sit out during the summer months. Well, the job's done. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like a little bit more information, please visit montymiracle.co.uk. Thank you very much.